Well, well, well. The Fulton County Board of Elections has voted to fire the election director for Fulton County. Now, in February. Yeah, that's right. You heard it. They are firing the election director for Fulton County. Fulton County is, of course, Atlanta. And we're going to read a little bit of this article because this is juicy. I don't normally like to actually read an article, but I think you guys might want to see what's going on here because there's a really premium line, okay? Real quick, I'm Nick Rekieta of Rekieta Law, a small law firm in central Minnesota. I'm a lawyer and a legal and political commentator here on YouTube. I've been covering the election, the post-election, all of that stuff. If you like that type of commentary, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Okay, so this guy, Richard Barron, was the director of elections in Fulton County, Georgia, the largest county in one of the most hotly contested states in 2020, with all sorts of issues with burst pipes and, other things, right? Right? You remember those issues from the election? Okay, those issues are all resolved. The 2020 election is over. President Biden is our president and everything is fine. Everything is fine. And now they're just randomly deciding to fire this guy, as they should, I suppose. So they actually fired him earlier, but that was not okay because you have to have open meetings. So they got back together today and fired him again. By earlier, I mean like just the other day. This wasn't like a long time ago. So now the board has voted in public to fire Barron. There's a question about what happens next. So the vote is 5 members, and he was fired by a 3-2 vote. 2 Republicans and 1 Democrat. The Democrat was the head of the group, of the board, and they're the ones who actually brought the motion to fire him. So the 2 Republicans joined in and fired this guy. The other 2 Democrats did not. And it's in some of their statements, okay, that makes this interesting. No matter what, it leaves confusion at the top of one of the county's most important functions. Quote, I think this is an unfortunate situation we're in, end quote, said board member Aaron Johnson, one of the 2 Democratic appointees to the board on Tuesday. With city elections in November, Johnson said he was concerned about Barron's removal. Quote, I just think it's going to cause chaos in our department, end quote. Okay, that seems reasonable. The other Democratic employee, Vernetta Keith Nuridin, made the motion to fire Barron and sided with the Republican appointees to the board. She said she was impressed with Barron early on, saying that he expanded early voting throughout the county, but said it went downhill from there. Oh, how did it go downhill? Let's find out. My decision was not based on 2020's election, but 2017, 2018, Nuridin said. She added, we have just consistent, continual issues around the absentee ballot process. Oh, you don't say. You don't say at all. Nothing to do with 2020, 2017, 2018, and we have consistent issues with the absentee ballot process. Not 2020, though. Dr. Kathleen Ruth, the Republican appointee to the board, seconded Nuridin's motion to fire Barron. Quote, this is not political. This is a bipartisan vote, Ruth said. The department needs new leadership that can take Fulton to the next level, modernizing the election process, making the county's election system more accurate and cost-effective and efficient. Of course they did. Of course they did. This is just a quick update. Wanted to let you know what was going on down in Fulton County because nothing's going on down in Fulton County. Y'all have a good day. Peace. Peace.